Go.
Go.
Oh, hi. Do your head again. Yep. Perfect. My
Okay, let's go hide them a lot harder.
I wanna do something.
You want a knuckle sandwich?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes, please.
actually, I'm gonna go for this one because it's hard. Like it's clear, so nothing. So I'm gonna actually put this like over here, so it's a little harder to get. I also have a good one for this to go. But I'm probably like, no, I don't want to end the hand sanitizer. Wait, it says hard. I'm gonna do that there. Okay, now I'm gonna grab these. Hey, stop! Okay, I'm gonna grab this and bring it way over. Here's gonna be one. Putting this one like somewhere over here like that. Wait, maybe if I can like swoop it right there. I feel like since this one's since that one's hard, give me that! Since this one's hard, I can like put it in a harder spot. Like, well, no, I don't want to. I don't know where to put this. Okay, hey! Maybe like right here. Okay, next one. How do you know I'm here? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me?
Mm-hmm.
Do you hear me?
Yes, I do.
I don't know where to put this. So. I kind of like this idea, so I'm gonna do that. Because that was like kind of hard to see. Okay, here's our last one.